How to change colors in Squarespace. In order to do that, you just need to utilize the site styles on your Squarespace. First, head over to your Squarespace editor. Click onto this paintbrush icon since this is your site styles. Once you have clicked on that, this should be able to open in here this right sidebar wherein you can see your themes, but under that you can find your colors. Now click onto this arrow just beside that, and in here just click onto this edit palette. Now for this case, you can just change the color palette associated for this one. We can also choose some presets as well as form colors and just choose in here for which one you actually want to utilize. For example, let's change it into this orange pink, and as you can see, it's already been reflected as well. You can change it according to your liking and just play with it in order to change the color. You can also just use hex codes or just set it up manually on your own in order to edit this particular palette. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.